What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. I can't keep up.
So the plan is that we're going up to Hepburn Springs, because Hepburn Springs is really special to us. So we go up at least once a year, and we always eat at this restaurant called Reuben's. The idea is that once we're done eating there, I'm going to put up this ridiculous sign. It's going to be something like annual night market, candle lit, everything that I can throw onto the sign. And I think she'll just be so dazzled by the prospect of whatever that sign's leading to that she wouldn't realise how ridiculous it is. But I think that's the perfect way to get her onto this trail. And once we get there, she'll notice that there will be a trail of candles, but she'll probably just think that it's part of the market or part of the show or something, and she'd be too excited to even realise that perhaps it's leading to something a bit unusual. And then once she follows through with the trail of candles, then she'll realise that it's not a market at all, but this is probably the most special moment in our lives. And I'm not sure how she's going to react, but I'm just going to hope that it's a reaction worthy of a video. We've been through a lot together. It's been a very long journey for us, and I feel like through everything we've managed to sort it all out, and we've only become stronger as a couple. So I feel like we're definitely more than ready to take the next step together. So Jin, will you marry me? And it's Tanzanite, as promised. And now maybe you can stop going on about the Tanzanite, huh?
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much.
Closest friends, I've asked Charles and I've asked Kathy, who I think have been with her through most of her life, and they've been very happy to take part in this special occasion. So I also want to thank them and their partners, Pauline and Thomas, for helping me out setting this up, because I couldn't have done it without them. So Jin, when I first met you in high school, I would never have realised that it would lead to this if I ever went back in time and told my year 11 self that one day I'm going to be proposing to you with this ring and we're going to get married. I think I would hardly believe myself. But now, as the time draws closer, I just realise that this is really happening, that this is real. And I'm so glad that even after we stopped being friends for a little while, that when I met you again, I'd taken the jump to try and introduce my tutoring services to you. Because I think it was because of that crucial moment that it started this journey that we've gone through together all of these years to lead to today. So Jin, we've been together for a very long time now. It's almost been 10 years. And I know that we've discussed these things, we've discussed marriage, but I've never really been ready enough to take the next step. But I think the time has come. From the very beginning, I knew that I loved you. I don't know why, but I just knew. It was this conviction that helped us through all of our struggles, and I am ready to wrap all of that up by taking the next step. And I couldn't have chosen a more suitable person to take life's journey together. My only regret is that I didn't meet you any earlier.
This clock never seems so alive.
I'm still going to go to Coles to buy cheese.
We can still go to Coles to buy cheese if you want.